On patrol in the Sahara Desert, the Sudanese government's Rapid Reaction Force is on the lookout for people smugglers. The traffickers use this route to take people from the Middle East and the Horn of Africa to Europe. This group of refugees was intercepted near the border with Libya. They've been brought to the capital Khartoum and they've no idea what will happen to them next. They say that fighting and poor living conditions forced them to leave their homes and head for Europe.
We walked the long and tedious route across Yemen, through Sudan, in the hope of getting to Europe. We're in search of a better life.
I reached Sudan, but it was a very difficult journey. We'd do anything to get to Europe.
Members of the Rapid Reaction Force have rescued more than 1,500 people from traffickers in the last 5 months. But the government says patrolling the Sahara is expensive and it doesn't know for how much longer it'll be able to fund it. Sudan is facing an economic crisis. It's been struggling to recover from the loss of 3/4 of its oil exports following the split from South Sudan 5 years ago.
We have a clear message to fight illegal immigration and weapons smuggling and to secure our borders, but we are not getting enough support, especially from Europe.
The US State Department has placed Sudan among 27 countries designated as not doing enough to combat human trafficking. The Sudanese government denies that and says it needs more help from the United States and Europe. Victoria Gatenby, Al Jazeera.